welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my MacBook. I'm gonna put the details on the screen. Hopefully I am not in this. It is a MacBook M1 2021 version, and yes, FedEx just dropped this off. I will include the footage. Moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that. It's heavy. This box is thin, baby. Nothing else in this box, so we'll get that out the way. Here we go. Got a pull tab here. Here's the box. I got the gold color. It looks pink to me. That's why I got it. Pink is my favorite color. Even the apples on the side are gold. And the MacBook Air is in gold. You can't like see if you look at it straight on, but if you look at it like that. All right, let's take out this box. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? So it's just sitting there. It comes with the whole box. I don't know what that is. And then we'll lift this up. And here is the laptop. Look how pretty that is. It's freezing cold. I had my baby on the truck, freezing. So now let's see what else is in the box. This is the new cable. I'll place the name of the MacBook that I had. I don't even know the name of it. But now it's like the little one, USB-C to USB-C. Here, instruction manual, and these cute stickers. And then thankfully it comes with a block. You know the iPhones don't come with a block. So we got a block, and that's all that's in the box. It is the 13-inch with the M1 chip. We'll take off the plastic. As soon as you open her up, she's making noise. Boom. This is the moment of truth, guys. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. That's a bad bee right there. Y'all, I can't even fool with her because she's bad. I mean, it is so pretty. And then with the buttons, I know they said they got rid of the keyboard brightness. You can now do that on the actual laptop. They have a do not disturb button. This is Touch ID, and this button is for emojis, and it does not have a fan. So this laptop is complete silent. Like, let's just pause. You're hearing nothing. I mean, it is just completely silent. It is like so beautiful. All right, I'm about to do the Touch ID. I didn't even know laptops had Touch ID. Like, I'm so excited. Here we go. This is the MacBook 2021 M1 chip. I paid, it was $9.99 starting. Okay, I went in there to get a refurbished laptop. I was not coming out with anything new. And then my mom was like, Raven, you should get a new laptop. So I was like,
why not? Minus Will.
So now I ended up with her, and I will be linking it down below. I got this laptop. I was 100% gonna get Pro. Like, I know Pro would be best for like YouTubers and everything. And I wanted that touch bar. But the guy at Best Buy told me the only difference between this laptop and the Pro was the touch bar. He said you'll save like $300 if you get this laptop opposed to the touch bar. Like the processor and the memory, everything is the same except the touch bar. And I was like, I ain't had no touch bar before, so I don't need no touch bar now. And this one came in pink. So that was really the deciding factor. Like, if you can get something in pink, why not get it in pink? I'm so excited for this because it looks just like a phone. And I was telling y'all about the keyboard brightness. This is how you brighten it, and that's how you not brighten it. I don't know if you can tell because it's bright in my room right now. And I will be doing a review, so definitely stay tuned for that after a week or 2 weeks of use, so I can see how it works as a YouTuber and editing videos and things. That's how the launch pad looks. iMovie is already on here. I got a case. I love the color of it, so I just got a clear case. I will be tagging this down below as well. Just a clear case. And y'all, this keyboard, like, typing on it just feels so much better. It's even premium. Yes, and showing y'all the ports. I know Apple got rid of all the ports. The only thing you have are these 2 ports, the headphone jack, and it's only on the left side. I will have all of this stuff linked down below. I love the case. Screen protector got bubbles. I'll try to get those out off camera. All right, we're gonna do a speed test to see how fast stuff is popping up. I just typed it in, so we'll just go down. Enter. Okay, it's pretty fast. Let's see how fast it takes us to Apple. Okay, I see everyone with this screensaver, so I mean, of course I want it. I said it has a lot of like pop-ups, so be careful on this website, guys. Download for Mac. Y'all see how fast it downloaded? I don't know where. Oh, here we go. Let's do a hot corner. Okay. That's how the hot corners work. Okay, I'm gonna set up a cute background. I'm gonna do desktop wallpaper. I want it to like match the computer, so I'm gonna do like news color. We'll use this as the background. I mean, it matches a little bit. And then we'll go to Pinterest. Just do copy image, and then let's paste. Crown here. Okay, I will show you guys the new background. Boom. Is that not so freaking cute? I'm gonna stop it right here, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. In about a week or 2, I will be posting the review, like a performance, how it does with my day-to-day use, talk about battery life if I regret getting this opposed to the Pro, how it edits, how fast it keeps up, storage wise, and everything. So stay tuned for that. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Ray in 4K. Thank you. Bye.